Hello children, today in your conversation class we will study chapter 12, that is family dinner. Okay, so last time we studied at the breakfast table and today we will study family dinner. So dinner is the food, is the meal that we take at night, right? So there is a conversation going on between among the family members, especially mother and the children. So let's start. Sonu is the name of son. Okay, Sonu. So what Sonu says to mummy? Mummy, it's 8 o'clock. Is dinner ready? I'm very hungry. So in their family, the dinner time is 8 o'clock. So Sonu is kind of reminding his mother that it is already 8 o'clock. So have you made the dinner? Because I'm feeling very hungry. So what mummy says? Yes, dinner is ready. Go and call everyone for dinner. Mummy says, yes, dinner is ready. And you call your father and sister for dinner. Sonu says, yes, mummy. Then mummy says, she lays down everything on the table. Lays down means she arranges everything, dishes and all on the table and making the table ready for everyone to sit and start the meal. Sunita, did you wash your hands? So mummy is asking her daughter Sunita, whose name is Sunita. She asked her, have you washed your hands? Because it is very important to wash the hands before and after every meal. You remember this? Sunita says, yes mummy, I have washed my hands with soap. So Sunita says, yes, she has already washed her hand using soap. Mummy, good. And you Sonu, what about you? Have you washed your hands with soap? So now mummy is asking her son Sonu whether he has washed his hand or not. Sonu says, no mom, I forgot. So see, Sonu has not yet washed his hand and already asking for dinner. Mummy says, then go and wash your hands first. So mummy says that you should first wash your hands and then sit for the dinner. Sonu says, why should we wash our hands with soap before eating? Now Sonu doesn't know the importance of washing the hands, especially with soap. So he's asking his mother that why she wants them always to wash their hands before the meal. Now what mummy says? Mummy gives the reason. Sonu, there are tiny dust particles everywhere in the atmosphere. These dust particles get settled on our hands. When we eat our food without washing our hands, the dust particles and germs enter into our bodies and make us sick. Therefore, we should wash our hands before and after every meal. So mother is explaining the importance of washing the hands. She is saying that when we are before we sit for the food, we are in the atmosphere. There are so much of tiny dust particles and it keeps on settling, means it keeps on sticking, so you can say, on our hands. And suppose if we do not wash our hands and eat the food with that dirty hand only, then what will happen? Those germs will get inside our body, it will get inside the stomach, and those germs are harmful and it will make us sick. It will create a disease inside our body and we don't want to fall sick. Therefore we should wash our hands before and after every meal. And children, you know, nowadays it is so important to wash our hands during this COVID time, because you know this COVID virus can be anywhere. So if you are not washing, not only before after meal, you should keep washing your hands many times during the day, children, with soap and water, so that if by any means this virus has got on your hands, and that will be removed if you keep washing your hands. And suppose if the virus is there on your hand and if you're not washing the hands, then, and suppose if you touch your eyes or nose or mouth, then the virus may enter inside the body and then the person may fall sick. He may get positive with COVID virus. So to avoid this, we should keep washing our hands with soap and water many times a day. And if you're doing it, it is very good. But if you're not doing it, please start doing it. And also tell other people in your home to regularly wash their hands with soap and water. Okay. Father sniffs. Sniffs means to smell, to take deep breathe inside in order to smell something. It smells good. What do we have for dinner tonight? Now father has come and he says that the smell of the food is coming very good. It's very tasty. What is there for dinner? Mummy says rice, dal, palak paneer, chapatis and rajma. So see what yummy dish mummy has made for the dinner. There is rice, there is dal also, there is rajma also, palak paneer. You all like palak paneer, right? You like paneer, and if there is palak, that is very nutritious also. And chapatis are there. So all these delicious food mummy has made for the dinner. Mummy, that is a Sonu says, Mummy, what's for dessert? Dessert is the sweet dish that we eat after food. Okay, see the spelling, D-E-S-S-E-R-T, dessert is there, and one dessert is D-E-S-E-R-T, desert, that is Registan, that we say in Hindi. But this is D-E-S-S-E-R-T. This is the sweet dish that we eat after having meal. So Sonu is asking, ma'am, Mummy, what is for the sweet dish or dessert? Mummy says, that is a top secret. First finish your meal. So mummy is saying that means mummy wants to give them a surprise. So she's saying it is a top secret. So first you finish your meal and then you will get your dessert. Sunita says, the daughter, Mummy, please tell us what is there for dessert. So she is also getting anxious. She also want to know. She also wants to know that what is there for the dessert. Especially when mummy has said top secret, then she wants to know more about it. Mummy, it's a chocolate ice cream. The mummy has to tell them that it is a chocolate ice cream, and children like chocolate ice cream very much. Sunita says, Yahoo! I cannot wait long. I'll gobble down my meal. So as soon as Sunita heard that it is a chocolate ice cream, she got very excited and she says that I cannot wait to eat that ice cream. So I'll gobble down my meal. Gobble means to eat very quickly, and when you eat quickly you make noise also, no? So to eat quickly and noisily, that is known as gobble down the meal. Mummy says, Sunita, eat your meal slowly. There is enough ice cream for everybody. So Sunita's mother is saying, no, there is no need to rush. There is no need to gobble down your meal, to eat quickly. You should always eat your meal, or you should always eat your food slowly and chew it in a proper way so that the food is digested properly. So there is no need to eat the food fast. There is enough ice cream for everybody. So even if you eat slowly, you will get sufficient amount of ice cream. So children, this was the chapter that is family dinner. Okay, so read the chapter and I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.